Hey guys, today we're going to be trying our KK7's magnetic induction heater kit. Bam. And we're going to be trying it in the exhaust bolts. When you put it on it, just hit this button right here for it to heat up. So we'll see. Ooh, I see some smoke already. At least it's getting hot. You see it? It's changing color. Woo! Alright, we're gonna try it. That was pretty quick. Let's try it. What you think? Ooh, I can smell it too. Alright. There it goes. What? Alright, we're gonna move it completely out of here. For the non-believers, it is loose. There it goes. I don't want to touch it. Yeah. That's pretty cool. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments.